Best deals.
1. Fruit cutter. It's durable and long-lasting, easy to carry and place anywhere, is made iron and its base wood. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Soap dispenser. Built-in solid dots on top of the tray create a non-slip experience when in use. Vent holes let the sponge scouring pad dry quickly, and the drip tray catches leftover liquid and has a pour spout for easy pouring. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Silicone basket. The carefully designed 360 degrees air circulation structure makes the heat distribution more uniform so that your food can be cooked perfectly. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Spatula. With a simple twist of the head, this clever tool transforms from a spoon into a full-sized ladle. Whether you are stirring or serving, this dual-purpose silicone cooking spoon helps cut down on clutter and washing up. It's heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Ice scraper. Comes with a unique freezing ice molds. Add water to the freezing ice molds, put it into the freezer, wait until the water completely freezes, take out the ice cubes, and put them into the ice shaver. Comes with sharp stainless steel blades that make turning ice into snow a breeze. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Gas cylinder trolley. Fitted with caster wheels having a natural rubber cushion over a nylon center wheel which ensures that the gas trolley is safe for your flow. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Chopping board. Each 11 rings cutting board features a reversible design that allows you to chop on both sides to help prevent flavor mingling. Boards also feature deep juice grooves on one side to help prevent countertop mess by catching runoff juices. Its slip-resistant rubber border helps to prevent slipping and sliding on countertop surfaces. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Steamer basket. Designed for effortless steaming, high-quality steamer for cooking is perfect for making momos, dumplings, vegetables, and more. Its multi-purpose design ensures healthy and flavorful meals every time. Ideal as a steamer for baby food cooking, helping you prepare nutritious meals with ease. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Wrap dispenser. Features a sharp sliding blade that ensures clean, tangle-free cuts with no waste. Dispenser has a compact, non-slip base and a weighted design to prevent tipping during use. Quick release system allows for simple refilling of standard-sized wrap rolls up to 30 cm wide. Designed for plastic wrap, cling wrap, aluminum foil paper, and wax paper, this kitchen roll holder provides smooth, one-handed operation for easy food storage. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Funnel. This collapsible silicone funnel can be stored anywhere in your kitchen, garage, tools kits, artist kits or most small spaces in drawers and cabinets. Funnels are machine washable. To hand wash just add a dab of soap and lather. Then rinse with warm water. Cold and heat resistant from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 482 degrees Fahrenheit. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Dustbin. Durable plastic construction withstands humid bathroom environments. 2 ways to open: slide laid down or flip it up. Strong adhesive backing for easy and secure installation without drilling. Wall-mounted design saves floor space. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Doormat. Dual-layer mat with anti-slip PVC backing ensures safety on smooth tiles. Built to handle dust, grime, and weather without tearing or fading, while the soft textured loops offer a cushioned feel underfoot, even barefoot. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Colander. Made with quality food-grade stainless steel that is rust-resistant, corrosion-free, and built to last for years, it won't leach chemicals or retain odors, ensuring hygienic and safe food. Prep every time. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Anti-slip mat. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free, non-toxic EVA, it is safe for direct contact with fruits, vegetables, and packaged foods. Ideal for use in refrigerators, home drawers. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Hooks. Strong adhesive backing ensures a secure hold, allowing the hooks to support various items without risk of falling off. Suitable for various applications in the home and kitchen. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Tea infuser. With its compact size and spill-proof lid, this infuser is perfect for brewing tea on the go. It's ideal for use at home, in the office, or while traveling, allowing you to enjoy your favorite beverages wherever you are. Using a tea infuser allows you to customize the strength and flavor of your tea. You can adjust the amount of tea leaves and steeping time to suit your preferences. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Vacuum sealer machine. Uses advanced technology in 60 kPa suction power for quick, airtight sealing in just 10 to 20 seconds. With easy controls and clear instructions, it helps preserve food up to 8 times longer, perfect for everyday use. This vacuum packet sealer machine features 4 versatile modes: vac mode for airtight food preservation, seal mode to close bags without suction, canister mode for vacuum sealing in compatible containers, and pulse mode for precise, gentle vacuuming of softer delicate items to prevent damage. This vacuum sealer features easy-to-clean components and a compact, lightweight design, making it perfect for tight spaces like kitchen drawers. Ideal for sous vide cooking or preventing freezer burn, this efficient air sealer is essential for any food lover. Food packing machine removes air and tightly seals your food to preserve taste, texture, and nutrients. It helps extend shelf life and reduces spoilage, making it a smart solution for minimizing food waste and keeping your ingredients fresh longer. This vacuum sealer is compatible with embossed or dotted vacuum pouches easily available online. It also seals a wide range of bags, plain plastic, silver-lined, laminated, non-laminated, and even local store packaging, including PP, polypropylene, LD, low density, and silver pouches. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Oil dispenser. The glass bottle has wide mouth, easy to fill oil or sauce. No squeezing, just dump the oil bottle slightly, and oil comes out from 2 round oil outing holes in the silicone brush. This oil canister with brush is really convenient for barbecue, pastry, baking, grilling. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Chopper. Large break-resistant container with rubber grip base which holds the device firmly in place, fastest, safest and easiest way to chop or dice fruits and vegetables, not dishwasher safe. Other features: easy to use, clean and store, hand-operated, no electricity needed. The container is break-resistant, extra sharp stainless steel blades, advanced push-to-clean button which ensures easy and hygienic cleaning, high-quality stainless steel blades for easy chopping, sharp pyramid-shaped cutting blade for efficient and smooth cutting, large detachable container which can also be used to store vegetable and fruits in refrigerator. The large container is featured with unbreakable plastic for long-lasting usage. The veggie cutter is very easy to use and is featured with a non-skid base for the effortless use and satisfying results. It is one of the fastest, safest and easiest way to chop or dice fruits and vegetables. It is effortless to use. The blades are made up of premium quality stainless steel for smooth chopping. For easy chopping, the blades are sharp and pyramid shaped. The chopper comes with advanced push button which ensures easy and hygienic cleaning. The container can also be used to store vegetable and fruits in refrigerator. Product link is given in the 19th link.